Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're back again with a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can transform a basic looking mirror to a very nice, spicy, more appealing mirror. So you're going to be needing a bouquet of flowers, any colors of your choice, a glue gun is very handy for DIYs. You're going to be needing a pair of scissors, an extra glue stick in case the other glue runs out. So I started off by cutting the blue flowers. They look so nice already. I'm going to just show you how I cut off the red flowers, and that's it. Basically going to just take the flowers and cut them right at the top, because there's an iron that they use since they're artificial flowers that goes right up around where the flower blooms, so you have to cut it right at the top. I tried pulling it out at some point, but it was really difficult, so you're really going to be needing a scissors for this. This is how the flowers looked after I had cut all of them. They're looking really nice and colorful. So we're just going to go ahead to glue them down to the frame of the mirror. So you're just going to pluck your glue gun such that the glue stick gets heated and starts melting. And you're just going to take the flower and press it down onto the glue, and once the glue is dry, that's it, it's set and the flowers are not going anywhere. So I'm just going to let you guys watch, and I'll be right back to show the other side. So far, this is how it's looking. I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to do the other side in case you missed out when I was doing at the beginning of the video. I'm just going to show you guys how to do it again. You just put the glue to the frame, then you press the flower on top of it. Sorry about the noise in my background. Like I said, it's almost like I'm going to be apologizing each and every video. Each time I want to do a voice over, yeah, either people talking at the neighbor's place or that, so I'm sorry about that. Yes, so you're just going to put the glue and press the flowers onto it, and you can adjust and arrange the flowers in any order depending on how you want the colors to appear. So you're going to try to glue them down. At some point, if you don't put enough glue, the flower might pop off, so you have to make sure you go back again go back again with the glue and apply it. The glue was trying to ruin my nails, but I really wanted this mirror to look bomb, so I was not going to give up anytime. So I just cut up the extra leaves and just placed them in random areas, but still the same thing, just with the glue. Thanks you guys for watching.